Alright guys, check this out. It's Friday afternoon. We just had some really great pizza. Did you like that pizza, Ray?
It was good.
It was good, right?
It was really good.
It's New York style pizza. There's nothing like New York pizza. But anyway, I'm preparing for my upcoming seminar workshop on June 3rd. It's a Thursday night from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I do encourage you salespeople, entrepreneur, and small business owner. If you can't make it to my event locally here, I'm going to be going live Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's going to be very powerful. But before we dig into the topic, I'm going to share something with you guys. Cold calling works. Let me tell you why it works. Because I'm working it and I'm generating sales. But I'm sure some of you out there are getting a lot of likes, right? You're probably getting a lot of comments and engagements and people sharing your stuff and even saving some of your content. That's all well and good. But here's the question. What percent of your time are you spending and money you're spending on digital marketing, graphic designs, and all that stuff? That's good. I'm not trying to discredit it. But are you really generating sales? If you are generating a high conversion ratio on your engagement. There's also a lot of sales coaches online that try to teach you how to grow your Instagram page or your Facebook page or your Twitter page, right? That's all well and good as well. But are you using your time wisely and doing the most important thing, which is selling, taking a call to action, to generating sales? If not, I encourage you to go to my YouTube channel at Martial Arts of Selling. Watch the video that I'm going to be uploading today. It talks about how to be effective in selling and growing your sales. Not growing your online presence, not growing your followers or subscribers, growing your sales. Whether you got 100 followers or 10,000 followers, I could show you how to truly grow your sales. Now, again, go to Martial Arts of Selling at my YouTube channel, watch the video, subscribe, and also share your thoughts. Now, the other thing is this. If you think cold calling doesn't work, I want you to stick around. I'm going to cold call today, right now, right after this, to cold call to get people to come to my seminar June 3rd. Because you see, when you understand sales and you understand the art of cold calling, you can do so many amazing things where you're not at the mercy of advertising and marketing. You can actually do it yourself, and I like doing it. So stay tuned, buckle up, because you're in for a treat. Talk to you soon. Bye. People that don't believe that cold calling doesn't work have no idea what they're talking about, in my opinion. And I'm about to show that right now. Let me see. Let's see if they answer. So this is I'm cold calling some people from my Instagram account that they're following me and they're liking my content, so I'm following up with them to invite them to my seminar. It's still cold calling. Today is 20th, right?
21st.
21st?
Hmm?
Is it? Okay, 21st. No answer. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one. 195 352 8801. All right. Hi, may I speak with Mario? Hey Mario, good afternoon. This is Paul Cruz with Paul Cruz Sales Agency. How you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Hey, every day I'm alive is a great day. Listen, the reason why I'm calling you is I want to thank you for liking one of my postings on my Instagram account. And, we're connected there. So one of the things that I like to do is when people like my content, I always like to at least thank them personally and let them know that I appreciate that. You know what I mean?
Yes, of course.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for
Yes, sir.
listening.
Yes, sir. Well, you do air conditioning for just commercial? You do it for residential, or you do it for both, or?
We do it for both.
Oh, okay. You know, what I would like to do is so that we could formally get to know each other, because I definitely can help your business. But I'm doing a very powerful, rewarding seminar coming June 3rd at my office. It's from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. on a Thursday. It's about a week and a half from now. It's a very, very powerful seminar because it's going to help small business owners, entrepreneurs, salespeople really look at business from a different perspective, where they can actually generate more sales, increase their cash flow, increase their annual revenue. And it's a very effective way to do it. It's a free seminar, and I'm offering it to local businesses because, it's been almost over a year from the pandemic. Some small businesses got hurt financially, myself included. So what I'm doing is I'm doing what they call a comeback seminar. And since we are connected on Instagram, I would like to send you an invitation. I would love to have you here. You're going to meet a lot of other business owners here that you probably generate business with. They may hire you for your services as well. You know what I mean?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
When it's going to take place?
It's going to be June 3rd. It's on a Thursday. You know where the what's that called? Amtrak. You know where the Amtrak is downtown?
Not quite sure.
You know the convention center?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm right behind the convention center. It used to be a nightclub, so it's called Downtown Spaces. It's absolutely beautiful. It was renovated and it was opened up in August. So I just signed the lease in March, and it's gonna be, like I said, if I didn't believe that what I have to offer you and my prospects and my local business people, something of value that can help their business, I would not be doing this. I would not be wasting anyone's time or my time, because timing is something we can't get back. You know what I mean?
Yes, of course.
Does that mean, how long you been in business, Mary, if you don't mind me asking?
Okay, the company has been out there for 23 years now.
Oh, okay.
We're working with them for 9 years.
Oh, you've been working for them for 9 years? Okay. So are you?
I'm not the owner of the company. I'm the sales representative.
Oh, you're the sales rep. Are you able to attend seminars on behalf of the company? I mean, if you generate more sales, the owner wouldn't be upset with that, would he?
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to figure out, because it's going to be on June the 3rd, and it's a Wednesday.
No, it's a Thursday. It's a Thursday.
Oh, sorry, it's a Thursday. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out, if he can come with me.
Okay.
Or if he can go by himself.
Right.
Or let me just talk to them to see what we can do.
Okay.
And,
Okay. Well, what I would like to do, if possible, Mario, I would like to get your email. I want to send you a flyer of what I'm doing so you can see who I am. And if you ever want to come by my office and visit me before the seminar, you're welcome to do that. So I can do that. Do you have an email?
yeah, do you have something to write on?
Oh yeah, I have it right. It's afbmario82@gmail.
Yes, that's correct.
Is that the one? Okay. So do you have a pen handy, Mario, by any chance?
No, but let me use my cell phone.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm ready.
Okay. All right. My name is Paul Cruz, Paulcruz. My company's called Paul Cruz Sales Agency, and you can find me on Instagram because we're connected on Instagram. And my number is 915 200 9353.
9353.
Yeah, and what's the owner's name, if you don't mind me asking?
The owner's name, okay, the company is not under his name, it's under his wife, but he's the
No,
main one right there. It's called Junior Figueroa.
Junior Figueroa. Okay. Yeah, and maybe what we can do is maybe we could do a conference call with me, you, and him. You know, I could talk to him and I could show you, you know, how I can help your business. But the main thing is getting you to the seminar, because I promise you this: when you attend, you're gonna see things that you might not have seen before. Well, wow, I didn't know I could do that. So I like to keep things simple, but I like to keep it powerful because, you know, it's all about building relationships, and more importantly, if you're not generating sales, you don't have a business. Does that make sense?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Well, listen, Mary, I won't take more of your time. I do appreciate your time. I'm gonna email you. Take a look at it. You know, call me anytime if you want to call me with the owner. Let's talk on the phone, and then when you go to the Instagram page, you can see what I do, just so you have an idea who I am. Okay.
Okay, absolutely.
I appreciate it, Mary. You have a great day.
Likewise, thank you so much
Okay.
for calling.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, guys. That's a cold call to invite a prospect to my seminar. Now, he wasn't the owner, but his information is on the platform. But he told me who the owner is. So now I know the wife on record is the owner, but the husband doesn't put his name on things, which I get why they do that. The point is this, is even if they're on Instagram with you, and they may just like what you do, they may just follow you, but I want to make sure that I appreciate that they like my content, and then I'm going to help their business by them coming to my seminar. Again, you saw cold calling. This wasn't rehearsed. Cold calling on social media works. Talk to you later.